RNAZ stock analysis, RNAZ stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at Transcode stock and I see a big decrease, which is, I mean, nothing unusual. Sometimes it's going to happen. It's perfectly fine and normal because my bias on this was actually still quite bearish. You know, I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and you bet I've seen what's happening and what's working for me and what is not. That being said, specifically with this, you just have to understand that I'll begin being bearish here. And I was correct. I mean, instead of me telling you, let me actually show you. You can see at the time we're sitting at 72 bucks, right? It was 4 months ago. So we went from, I mean, obviously we had like a reverse split, but we went from that a lot down. You know, we went down like as of then it went down freaking 4 months and 10 days and like 90% down. It's crazy. So I'm still looking to take it lower. I mean, the likelihood that it keeps going down is still quite high. So that's still my direction, my preferred direction, unless there is a big catalyst or something. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, you can just click the first link in the description. You will find a lot of sauce there.